In today's video, I'm going to teach you about 5 quick steps to launch ABM in HubSpot. If you've been looking to implement account-based marketing into your marketing strategy, you're in the right place. We're going to walk through setting it up in HubSpot using the most current guidance available as of mid-2025. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. To begin, it's essential to first turn on your ABM tools. As a super admin within HubSpot, you'll need to navigate to CRM, then select Companies. Here, click on See Target Accounts and follow the prompt to get started. This step is crucial as it activates all the necessary ABM properties, dashboards, and workflows you'll require moving forward. With these tools enabled, you'll find that tracking and managing your account-based marketing efforts becomes much more streamlined. Next, let's focus on selecting your best fit accounts. This involves marking your ideal customers as target accounts. HubSpot provides a variety of filters to help you narrow this down, including industry, company size, and revenue. With these filters, you can categorize your target accounts into tiers based on priority: Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3. This tier system allows you to easily prioritize where you concentrate your efforts, giving top priority to those with the highest potential value. Moving on, it's time to map out who matters inside each account. Within each account record, it's important to assign contacts with specific roles such as decision maker, budget holder, or influencer. This might seem like a simple task, but it's pivotal for making sure your messages are delivered to the right person at the right time. By identifying the key players, your marketing and sales strategies can be far more targeted and effective. Now let's set up smart workflows and content. This step involves using automation to enhance your ABM strategy. Consider tagging your accounts and assigning roles automatically. You can take it a step further by sending personalized emails or displaying smart content on your website tailored to these roles. Additionally, push your account list to ad platforms like LinkedIn or Facebook for hyper-targeting, ensuring your message reaches the right audience in the right place. Finally, track and improve what works. HubSpot's Target Accounts Dashboard is your go-to tool here. With it, you can view a variety of metrics including email opens, site visits, deal stages, and revenue generated from these accounts. Use this valuable data to continually refine your approach. This means testing different messages, adjusting account tiers, or updating workflows as needed. Paying close attention to what generates the best results ensures you can optimize your marketing efforts continuously. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to successfully launching an account-based marketing strategy in HubSpot, setting the stage for strong, targeted engagements with your key customers. Thanks for watching and staying tuned for more insightful content.